So I was doing some cleaning in the garage. I needed to move the truck out of the way so I can get, go-kart and stuff out, put it in the storage house. And I came out to start Bertha, and well, I guess I ought to show you. She won't start. So let's get the new NOCO battery jumper and let's see how it works. So here we have the GBX55, which I think is good up to a 7-liter diesel, something or another. I got it on sale, so I got the biggest one. So let's get to the battery, which is over there. How much battery do we have? Is my battery dead? Oh, no, there we go. Full charge. So let's just start this little 5.3, no problem. Black is negative. Red is positive. Once you hook it up, press the power button, and then you'll see it start to dance. If I'm not mistaken, you have within 60 seconds to start the vehicle. So let's go do that now. Survey says there we go. She's not happy, but she's alive. And once it started, just disconnect. I typically would do negative first, then positive, then just reattach your terminals. Well, you don't have to, you don't want to, but I typically do. And that's it. So that's how you use the NOCO Boost X GBX55.